Husker 909 here. That was my interpretation of Stevie Ray Vaughn's The House Is Rockin'. I'm tuned to G, G, D, G. We can play along with the record without making any changes. We're going to play it in B, 4th fret. He was probably playing in C position, tuned down a half step, but it doesn't matter because we can do it all here. I'll show you the intro, and I'll tell you about the rest of the song, but I'm not going to show you the whole song, because if you can play the intro, you can play the whole song. So the intro is a little tricky. So 4 on the low and the middle. And the right hand's going to be going really steady, but we'll go very slow right now. And then you can use your little finger, your 3rd finger. 7, 8, that was on the low string, and then 6, with the low string included, and then 4, 4. I'll play that bit for you. And then what I found tricky was, instead of going and repeating that, which kind of is what you feel like you want to do, he skips a beat and adds it at the end. So it's like this. Right back to there, which is 7, 8, and then back to 8, and then the high string and the middle string for a little variation. I think he adds an extra string in there, but we don't have one. So, slowly. The there's only one way to get good at it, is that's do it really, really slow, so you're not making any mistakes at all. And then speed it up. This little amp that I have, my new, to me, Joyo amp here, has a drum thing in it. And you can set it, see this light flashing over here? You can set it by tapping the switch. So I set it to the tempo of the song. And then when you think you've got it, you can practice with it. The rest of the song just uses the straight boogie chords. For the 5 chord, you just go straight across the neck, and you do 4 and 6. And then you're going to go up here to 8 and 9. That's what he does there. And it does use the 4 chord, which is down here. But it might be easier if you go up to here, to 9. Sometimes it's just a straight boogie, and sometimes it adds the 7th, and sometimes it goes for the 7th to the 6th, 7 to the 6th. Like that. You can actually get away with the entire song, except for the intro, doing that. So today's lesson was just about the intro of the song, and that's what the tab at the end is going to be about, is the intro. The rest is up to you. Have a great day. Bye.